I tried Kidinn review. After 7 days, here's the shocking truth. Kidinn claims to be a go-to online store for kids' toys, clothes, and accessories, but most people get this wrong. They assume online shopping for kids is risky, overpriced, or low quality. I spent a week testing it to see what's real. On day 1, I explored the app. The interface is colourful, easy to navigate, and organised by age, category, and brand. Most people skip filters, but using them ensures you find the right size, age-appropriate toys, or style quickly. By day 2, I purchased a clothing set for my child. The surprising truth, checkout was smooth, with multiple secure payment options and instant confirmation. Many expect delays, but my order arrived in perfect condition within 4 days. Day 4, I tested the quality. You won't believe how durable and well-made the products are. Most people assume online kids' products are flimsy, but everything was exactly as described and high quality. By day 6, I explored returns and customer support. Process is simple, with responsive staff ready to help with sizing or defects. Most users get this wrong, thinking returns will be complicated, but Kidinn makes it easy. On day 7, my final verdict, Kidinn review, app is legit, convenient and trustworthy. The shocking truth. You can confidently shop online for kids' products without worrying about scams, delays, or poor quality. With fast shipping, high-quality products and hassle-free returns, Kidinn proves that shopping for kids online can be safe, enjoyable, and stress-free.